So traders, the trading people and friends who are involved and engaged in US dollar versus Japanese yen, and there are a lot of opinions. As you can see, we had already a very big consolidation in the market, as well as the market fell to around 128.47 and currently is as around 134.19, 20, something like that. And as you can see, this is my position. I want to go back a little bit and we see that the movement of the market already, we had the first signal of this business or of this market already in July 21, as the consolidation has been reached at around 106.30, and then the market pushed up to around 111. At around 114, we had, we can say a long period of consolidation, nearly about 11 months, and then we had the first signal, and this is the trend line or the trend day volume profile. But this is not based on daily, this is based on monthly. And then the journey of the rising dollar against yen started to the highest level on my YouTube channel. If you look for Japanese yen prediction, I already predicted exactly the same, that we will reach 120 and then finally go to 150 and then possibly to over 200 after a correction. And exactly that happened here, as we see that in middle of October of the last year, we exactly predicted the market had, well, some say a crash, but if we can say no, it's nothing else than a correction in the market. And we see now currently the market is going up again. Why is this that way? So my strategy definitely trend and staying long. The market thinks the Bank of Japan new governor is negative for the yen and a plus for stocks, and of course, at least based on his first policy board meeting. And on the other side, we have the interest rates differential between United States and Japan. Japan is not interested to hike the interest rates, while the US dollar nearly every 2 weeks or months are hiking and rising the interest rates. So you can ask yourself now, where would you like to put your money in a market or in a country where you can get more interest of it, or you can put your money in a country where you get no interest rates and you have only costs? So to answer this question is very easy. If you put your money, for example, in Japan, you get nothing, nearly nothing, exactly nothing for that. But if you put your money in banks, let me say in US dollar, and in the banks, you can get interest rates. So, of course, for carry traders and on the same time for big investors, this is something very attractive and lucrative. And this is the reason that the attractivity of the US dollar against the Japanese yen is increasing. For more, you can go to my Tradingview. The link is below this video. And then once you did it, can show you. You can go to my page and then look for the ideas of the published ideas, and you see I nearly analyzed a lot of markets with 95% accuracy. For example, gold, also the Nasdaq. Some people don't know what to do, and this is also very interesting market, as I predicted the market fall much more down. But you can go in this page and you can have all this information. So we go back to the Japanese yen, to the ideas. So, and you see here, I have already explained what's happening in the market, and nearly every day the market is updating. This Monday, Friday, see 12 months, and also explained where you should be aware of, where are the pitfalls, where are the traps, and so on and so on. The market is updated, so you see, and it is not published after the news. I have already published this weeks before this main event of yesterday. The US inflation data has been released. Today is the 11th of May, and you see already on on the 8th of May, 3 days prior to this very important event, I have already mentioned what will happen, and exactly you see it happened. So for more interest, you go to my Tradingview page. It is for trading friends and traders, and the goal is to help you to make better trading decisions. So I wish you having a very good week and also good period of trading. Again, each time you are going to trade, never forget to put your stops, right? So I have already on this chart explained where to put your stops, how to move them, where we will have the next movements. As you can see, the flashes and the arrows are the predictions of the future. You can, of course, come back, right? There is no guarantee to do that, but I am taking a lot of time to make it, and so to give and to share with you and other friends the experiences I have in trading. And I think there is no better place than doing this on TradingView, as over 50 million traders worldwide are sharing their experiences all together and helping each other, and it is the best community I have ever seen. No social media, but this trading community for beginners, for experienced, or people who are trading different kinds of assets. It's the best place of the world. And again, thank you very much to all trading friends. Thank you a lot of to all programmers, to the team of TradingView, and of course to every trader, because they are the greatest and best people on this planet. They exactly know what it takes to take the next very good or good trade. They exactly know what it's like to have pain, emotions, psychological pains in drawdowns to stay. And it's not to making about only money, it's to make the next good trade, and after that to make the next good trade. And therefore they all share their analysis and the opinions all together. So am I doing that. Have a good day, and I hope you will have very good trading period.